Hey everybody, how's it going? For all you Cummins turbo diesel fans out there, here I present a 1998 Dodge Ram 2500. Like I said, with the Cummins turbo diesel V8 engine. I'm at Quinn's Covenant Cars in Monroe, North Carolina. And this is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Ram. Start it up, show the engine, as well as show a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior, and get an exhaust clip. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up and let it run. Just about the only imperfection in this truck is that there's a rip in the seat, and I just wanted to make mention that the seat will be repaired before it's sold. It's got 125,752 miles. Gotta love the sound of a diesel. On the hazards, as well as the headlights. Alright, we'll check out the outside. Gotta love Dodge styling. New tires. Is absolutely flawless. And we'll go ahead and pop the hood. Love it. It's got power everything, windows, locks, power mirrors. Full power seat, sliding and tilting, manual recline. See how it sounds. has good air conditioning. Perfect on a hot day like today. Heated mirrors, different zones, different storage, and your cup holders.
You got your highbrow shoes on your feet, and you wear them around like it ain't but you don't. This was something special. This one just like dynamite. Out of sight, you fell in love with honey like fire. Oh my, honey looking wonderful, fly so fly, honey like a
Power outlet. And shut it off. And your rear seat with rear opening. Good size bed. Full manual passenger seat. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the tour on the 1998 Dodge Ram Cummins Turbo Diesel. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more where that came from. Take it easy, everybody.